Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore a backup on your Samsung Galaxy in a quick and simple way. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Samsung Cloud. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now, look for the Samsung Cloud section and tap on Restore Data. Here, choose the backup from your device. Select the data you want to restore, then tap the Restore button. After a short time, your selected data will be restored successfully. Method 2. Using Google Backup. Again, go to Settings, then tap on Accounts and Backup. Find the Google Drive section and tap on Backup Data. Now, choose what you want to restore, like photos or videos. If needed, sign into your Google account and select your latest backup. Your data will start syncing automatically. And remember, before you start, make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi for a smooth process. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.